Hello and welcome to another episode of Showtime, where I go into the Peak District and look for fascinating places half an hour or less from Chesterfield. Now this time it took me 31 minutes, but I took my time, so I think it comes under the remit. So yeah, one of the lesser known places in this series, and a fascinating little place. It's Magpie Mine. It's an old lead mine, abandoned, but one of the best preserved in the country. So let's go and have a look. Wow, this place has got so much character, and the thing is, it's absolutely free. Hardly anyone comes here, apart from really a few landscape photographers, a few drone pilots. I mean, because look at that sunset. We're right on the tops here, so again, very lucky. Really nice if you want to come for a picnic or something like that, just have a wander around. It's got loads of history. Apparently there were some murders in the 19th century. Don't think there are any ghosts though, so you'll be all right there. There are heritage tours and open days, so keep your eyes out on the website for those as well. So obviously the mine's not working anymore, but it has been restored to a point. There's a shaft that goes down apparently about 700 feet, but it's all been capped off. You can't get down anymore. But yeah, that's quite a way down. I think it's flooded now apparently, but it's an incredible place to have a look around. Over yonder there is an old horse's gin, which yeah, let's go and check that out. That should be fun. And here's the old horse's gin, which I was speaking about. What a truly unique place this is.